ACHR stock analysis and ACHR stock prediction. Am I buying or am I not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I've spent five freaking figures on courses and mentors and called out thousands of correct predictions on my YouTube channel for free. This is such a bullish market and I'm a big fan. From what you can see, you know, the price has been, we came down and then consolidated for a very long time. This is just an awful price action, and personally me, I look to take it up, but then now I think like I see a lot more clarity. It's just like starting to finally move. Like even if it's going down, at least it's moving. So the only thing that I'm looking to do is double down and buy even more. But again, we have 2 out of 3 rules met from the first game, because you know there's 2 games. Then it's getting inside a trade game and then it's managing the trade game. So from the first game, 2 out of 3 rules are met, and then the confirmation must be met next. So I'll continue to keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a very simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.